G'day guys, how you going? This is Mick.
Craney.
Yeah, I got the Craney with me. About 9:30 last night, I sent him a message. Hey man, I got an opportunity for a ride. Yeah, sure. But he's just gotten home from a fire, putting out a house fire. So how you feeling?
Oh, a bit tired.
Bit tired, yeah. Oh, no doubt you would be. So I'm really struggling this morning. So we actually rode up this trail, and we're going to ride down it. It's called Jackhammer. It's not a bad trail. Yeah, so we just wanted to get a long climb and a long descent in. Nothing real flash, but it's
Cruisy.
Yeah, it's cruisy. A lot of fun. Should have some giggles, and that's what it's all about. So yeah, and that's what I think I need to get back to, having the fun. So anyway, we'll see you down there. Oh wow. This is the best. See down there. See down there. Hey buddy.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else coming?
No, not that I know of.
That's all right.
Just by myself.
Thank you. All right, so we might get a fair bit of that. This is a dual trail, as in like you go up it, go down it, we just come up this trail. Craney right behind me. Actually feels pretty smooth. Sweet. There's some rocks around here somewhere. This is a really long trail, so I'm not going to put it all on the video, but to get an idea, it's a trail that I really want to do just to keep riding. Ooh. Yuggy. Oh, I got the giggles. It's good fun, mate. It was about here that I realised my rear end was tightening up a little bit, and I knew with all these rocks around, I knew exactly what it was. And yeah, I had to stop and check it out. It's gonna pull up. How's that rock? Yeah, bit of a trailside fix. Yeah, so I had a bit of sponge sort of in here, and that's just must have just come out, and had a rock caught in the link, really affecting it. Thanks, buddy. Quite loose around here, like a real shaly area. Just ease up on the brakes, let the bike do its bit. Feeling good. Cool. No brakes. Go pretty quick through there. Hit the anchors. Gee, the bike feels good. Oh, this trail has a few little climbing places, and I don't mind admitting that this one owned me a little bit. It was just, I was probably about sort of 7 or 8 minutes into pedaling pretty hard, and yeah, she got me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey mate, how you going? Good, buddy. So that's always going to happen on this trail. Real popular amongst joggers and guys riding up. Hey, did I tell you guys I can't breathe through my nose? Like, I can breathe in, can't breathe out. And what? Yeah, I can. Some Neanderthal thing. All right, where are we? Shoot down? Yeah, why not, eh? Boy! Morning. Oh yeah. Boy. Whoa. What was that? Oh boy, buzz. Gonna head to the car? You gonna keep going or? That was pretty good.
Yeah. Yep.
I think we both got a lot of strikes, eh? Like on the frame.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I lost one up.
Is that off me?
You're flipping some fucking big boulders.
Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately. Sorry, buddy. Alright guys, so we're going to get going. Just want to wish you a happy Easter. That first part of the trail, Croney, I know you mentioned it was found a bit hard to get some flow.
Yeah, it was pretty ordinary.
Yeah, well, yeah, it was ordinary, but once we sort of got going, I felt really good, and it was the ride I needed to have just to get that, you know, flow trail feel and ride some rocks and, you know, pedal up some hills, and we go a little bit faster than what I've been for a while. So for me it was a win. All right guys, we're going to get going. We'll see you later, eh? Thanks for coming on the ride.